was the opener. I went and walked around a little bit, found this spot, and I didn't bring the camera with me, I forgot it, but I saw a nice buck back here, but since I got my buck, I don't have a buck tag anymore, so we're going after does today. We got a doe tag, and we're looking to fill it. And I saw a couple of, about 4 or 5 doe beds here yesterday, and so we're looking pretty good. We should see something. Big bedding area back behind me, and hopefully people are pushing them into that bedding area, and then they'll come out. So we're just gonna have to see what happens. Worst case, we don't get one, but we should have some action. It's looking pretty good. Yesterday there was some shots down here, but it was the multiple shots. I don't think they got much. I haven't seen any gut piles. I saw one drag out up the trail, but I think today's gonna be a good day. So we'll see when something happens. Some excitement. It's a fisher. It came right in. I thought it might have been a deer. But, yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah! Well, I thought I missed on the first shot, but as you can see, I didn't. There's blood everywhere. Look at all that. I definitely did unload on her, though. All the way up. She's down, though. She's down. So I think impact was up here, maybe. A little further. A little further. Yeah, so there's some brown hair right there. All over the place, and then blood. Can't see her from right here, but blood, and she's down over there. So here's the blood right there. There she is. Go find it. Look at this trail. Opening weekend. This is when you want to get it done. I shot her and she fell. So I'm trying to figure out where that was. I think it was right over here, kind of. Yep, not a buck, so that's good. Yeah, she fell right there. I was sitting right up there. She fell, and then she got back up. And then I shot her again. Look at all that blood. She's alright. Not the biggest, but a decent doe. There was probably my first shot. Let's flip her over. I'm not gonna lie, I only hit her one time. Oops. Alright, there she is. Public land doe. Wow, I got her good. Not too big, but I gotta get her gutted. Alright, so we got it all gutted up, and here's a shot right there. Perfect. Right in the shoulder. And I might have hit it in the ass end on one of the other shots because all the guts were all screwed up, but I don't think I really hit it on the other shots. It was just the first one, but I didn't really, I don't know, it didn't seem shot, so I just kept shooting. It only went 60 yards, but it's all downhill. I don't want it to go into this big valley. I already got to go all uphill, a little over a half mile, but should be okay. It's not a bad sized doe. Could be bigger, but I'll take it. I'll take it for my doe tag. So now I'm out of deer tags until late season. I can shoot a doe late season, and that's about it. Maybe a buck, but I'll probably shoot another doe. But yeah, time to start dragging. We're gonna get a stick and wrap it, pull it with a stick. So yesterday I came in here, as you can see, I put a tarsal gland up right there, and there's a bunch of beds right there, and back behind me, this thick stuff. It's a nice bedding area. So I was just sitting and looked up from my phone. Oh boy, there's a deer right there. Oh, it's a doe. Alright, let's shoot this thing. Turn the camera on. I got a good video of it too. And piled it. So, yeah, time to get going. It's about 8:30 now. 8:40. So, we got a good drag ahead of us. We gotta go. A couple 100 yards into the drag, shot it over on those cliffs. We gotta go through here about 400 yards. We'll meet a logging trail, and we gotta go like, I don't know, 1,000 yards ish up the logging trail. We got plenty of time. I'm taking off all my clothes. Got my orange on. Gotta make sure it really stands out. But there's probably a lot of people in the woods today, so here we go. Let's keep going. Alright, so we got her to the logging road. Now we got 800 yards more to go on this logging road, all uphill. So it's 10 o'clock. Probably be there at 12. We're gonna try. Gonna take a quick little lunch break and then hit it hard. So yeah, probably see you when we get to the truck. Alright everybody, so we got the doe skinned up. There's the head. And, wow, it's not skinned up, but it's hung up. It's the next day. I didn't take the camera out and I got it in the truck just for a couple reasons, but this is here's the hole. 350 Legend. Here's the exit. About that big. That's pretty good. Here's the entrance. Right about here. There's the entrance. Little hole. Big hole. It's a cavity. It's a nice doe. I didn't weigh it or nothing. Probably about 100 pounds. It's got a good coat on it and everything, but yeah. So yeah. This is here's a doe. It's pretty nice. Good sized. Put a good shot on her the first shot. The other shots we missed, but I got a good video of it, so I'm happy. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Next deer video will be late season, but We got some trapping videos to do. I'm doing some water trapping now, so yeah, fill their gun tags. We'll see ya.